Welcome to Photon. It deals with the basic concepts of physics which are required for IIT and NEET examinations. Here I discuss the content of physics chapter wise, and each chapter is divided into some number of slots. And in each slot, which is of a duration of 15 minutes, I will discuss 2 to 3 problems, and thereafter I would like to give the exercise also on those problems. The main aim of this channel is to inculcate the fundamental knowledge of physics, because most of the students are afraid of the physics. Let us go from the basics to slowly difficult problems. Here in this session, let me discuss the units and dimensions. First one is units and dimensions. Here in the physics, there are some fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities. And those quantities quantities. And those are, first one is mass. And this mass having a unit of kilogram, and its dimension is m. The second one is length. Its unit is meter. Its dimensional expression is L. Similarly, third one is time. Its is second, unit is second, and dimension is T. So here, these three things, M, L, and T, are basic fundamental quantities in which we derive so many dimension formulae for other derived quantities. Let us see others fundamental quantities. The fourth one is ampere. Ampere. A, and temperature, which is also known as thermodynamic temperature. It's Kelvin. Notation is K. And the substance, the substance is measured in the mole. The seventh one is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. That is, it is CD candle. CD candle. Ampere notation is A, and the temperature notation is K. Substance, it is mole. Luminous intensity is candela C. So the previous one, M, L, T. Those are the three things. Previous one, mass, length, and time. These are four things. Put together, seven. Total, how many are there? Seven fundamental quantities are present. Apart from these, there are other two supplementary quantities also present. Those are additional. These are a plane angle is measured in terms of radians. Similarly, solid angle is measured in terms of steradian. Steradian. Okay, it's simply yes, I. This is the notation. So these two things are known as supplementary fundamental quantities. These are supplementary fundamental quantities. Oh, you got those seven, and these are the additional two. Let us deal some examples in terms of dimension formulae and units. Let me take one simple example. Example 1, velocity. Velocity. Okay, its notation is small v. I'm putting. Definition is displacement divided by time. The displacement is measured in terms of the length dimensions. So it's L, time is T. So its dimension formula is LT minus 1. So here the dimension formula for the above velocity is LT minus. Let us take up the second example. Example 2. Here I take up the force. Let us put up notation F. What is force? Mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Okay. So mass is notation dimension formula. Yeah. Acceleration, change in velocity with respect to time. So velocity by time. What is the velocity dimension formula? Earlier we have seen LT minus 1 divided by time. Change in velocity. So here I define. So here I put up acceleration A is change in velocity with respect to time. So V by T, simply V by T. So velocity is L T minus 1 and this time is T. So this we have seen. So force, here it is M mass into acceleration A. Mass into acceleration A. Clear? So here final dimension formula is M L T minus 2. This is the dimension formula of force. Hope I have a clarity. Yeah. Let us go for the third one. This is the example 3. Here I deal with the work or energy. Work or the energy. Work, let us say energy is E. What is energy defined as? Force multiplied with the displacement. Force multiplied with displacement. So already you have seen earlier case. What is the dimension formula of the force? ml. That is the force is mass into acceleration. So ml t minus 2. What is the dimension formula for this displacement expression is length L. So this is m and here is L, ml square t minus 2. So here the energy is having a dimension formula of ml square t minus 2. Yeah. So here we have discussed three things. One is the velocity, we have discussed it. Force, we have discussed it. Third one is energy or the work, we have discussed. Three things, which are derived from the fundamental aspects. Yeah. And let me give some exercise also. Here is some exercise. Exercise. Okay. Exercise. Yeah. The exercise examples here I put up is you try to find out the dimension formula of, let me you the exercise is, that is momentum. Momentum. Here I definition I will give. Momentum is mass into velocity. Mass multiplied with velocity. To try. Okay. Second is impulse. Impulse. I am giving the definition. force into time. Impulse is force into time. Third, I'm putting it is third one. Yeah, I would like to give the simple one, that is pressure. Pressure, force, normal force by area. Force by right. I stop this session. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Let us continue in the next session.